Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Tundra Crewmax TRD Off-Road Premium. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in cement gray, and under the hood you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we have on this Tundra includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper. You also have a proximity smart key system and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Now, like I mentioned, this Tundra does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle there. Before we take a look inside, just a quick peek at the side mirrors, just to show you have heated mirrors and a blind spot monitoring system with this Tundra. Taking a look inside, you can see you have your power windows and locks. You have storage space that runs along the entire side of the door there. Taking a look next to the door, you have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your lighting settings, and you have a brand new feature here on the 2020 models. We're going to put this Tundra in accessory mode and show you that you can open and close the rear window. Taking a look back inside here, this Tundra comes equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons, and on the top you also have a power moonroof. So to start this Tundra up, we're just going to push that brake in, and it is actually a push to start. So we're just going to push that engine start button behind the wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. On the left side, you have your audio controls as well as your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. Moving on to the right side, you have this cluster here, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Down below, you'll also find your Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, with your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any device that's connected and the audio that's playing. And on the right side, you have your navigation map. You can press any one of these. Of course, it is a touchscreen and that map will enlarge. If we go into audio, because you have your standard AM and FM options, you also have a choice between USB and a Bluetooth device. Now if we go to map, of course there is that navigation map. If we go into menu and we go into projection here, you can connect your phone through Apple CarPlay. If we go into reverse, of course there's that backup camera and you get those guidelines as well. Moving down below that is our climate control system. Now it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. To the left of that, you have your drivetrain selector, and if we move down below that, this is where you'll find your USB ports, driver and passenger heated seats, your 12-volt outlet, and you also have a park assist button in the center there. Inside the back here, you can see we have storage along the entire side of the door, just like the driver's side. And of course, we are continuing with the black leather seating. If we move it inside, you can see behind the front passenger seat, you have a little extra storage compartment, and we can always fold the bottom half of these seats up. We just pull on this little handle. Seats click into place, giving you extra storage space in the back. Now to access the back of this Tundra, we got a handle here right next to the back of the camera. Just give that a pull and that'll drop down pretty nice and easy. You can see you have plenty of storage space, and you also get a nice black bed liner. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, leather upholstery, and a power moonroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail.